What if caring for your health was part of your calling? Your body is a gift, and stewardship means taking care of what you've been given. Health isn't vanity, it's responsibility. It's choosing nourishment over neglect, movement over stagnation, wisdom over extremes. Faith and science are not opposites. They can work together. With the right guidance, the right support, and a balanced approach, you can pursue strength, clarity, and confidence without shame and without pressure. At Start Zion, we believe wellness is whole person care, mind, body, spirit. Because honoring your health is one way of honoring your purpose. Follow us for honest, medically guided education on GLP-1 and sustainable weight management. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more educational videos as we walk through this journey together.